I'm going to go over this SUDOO paddleboard kit. So first off, you see that it's in this backpack carrying case. I like this backpack carrying case. It's a very affordable kit, by the way. I was very impressed with this. I've actually had it out, looked over it, and just verified all of it was there, and it came very nicely packaged. It actually came in a box packaged down. I took it out and put it in this bag. Number one, look how small that board is. And the actual specs on this board, it's a little over 10 foot and 33 inches wide. So it's more like a beginner type board. You get a paddle. So this paddle's got 3 pieces. I will show you putting all this together. This is my life vest, so that doesn't come with it. Some fins. There's a fin there. This is a piece for like, if you want to do a patch on it. So they give you a little patch kit. We won't need any of that. Here's some instructions. I will go over these instructions here in a minute. So they actually include a manual pump, but I can tell y'all, after using a manual pump like I have, you don't want to use them anymore when you get a actual electric pump. So I have an electric pump right here that I'm going to use for this. You get a ankle strap. This ankle strap is what you're going to put on. So when you fall off the board, it doesn't go flying. And I think there's 2 more fins in here. Where's my little fin? There's 1 more little fin in here, and that's pretty much it. So you got 3 fins. You see everything. Let me go ahead, put the pump back in here, and then I'll show y'all putting the paddle together, and then we'll air this thing up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's fully aired up. So let's get to blowing on this thing now. Okay, here we are. We're down here at the beach. Let's go ahead and get the SUDOO out. Get it all put out right here. Let me show you how this paddle works right here. You've got a middle section, and to work this paddle, you're basically going to go just like that, and you see how this one will slide down in here like this. So remember, there's a, y'all see how that kind of goes like that? Now this is actually made to go in your hand like this. So your hand goes like this, and remember your blade needs to be forward like this. So this is exactly, think of the words facing out, and that's your paddle blade. And then I try to go about head height and then tighten it down. So 1 head height, there's my length of my paddle. So my paddle's a little over 200 centimeter right there. So that works great. And here's your adjustments right here, just to give you guys a quick tip on the blade, how that works. To air the board up, you would use the pump that they give, but I'm going to use one of these electric pumps. So I'm going to go ahead and let this thing air up, and then once I get all of that on there, I'm going to go ahead and mount my fins. So once it airs all up, I'll go ahead and mount my fins to it, and I'll show you how the fins mount on there. And then we'll put the leash on there. We got our 3 fins, and we're ready to go. I went ahead and put this is an ankle kind of strap right here. You're going to use this. Don't use these in moving current. Let me show you how to mount these things on here. So these are the fins. You've got 2 small fins, and y'all see these little things. It's pretty self-explanatory how these things work. They just go in there like that, line it up. Now there's a up piece right here. That's in there. That's how easy these fins mount. So that one went in pretty good. That one's a little wonky to get in, but you know what? I got it in. Then you got the large fin. This is going to help your tracking the most. Like I said, there's only one way these things go in there. These sometimes get a little sand in them, but you know what? It's the beach. We get sand everywhere. There we go. So we got all 3 fins on. Now, the paddle board is ready. Just like that. We got the paddle. Let's go ahead. I'm going to paddle around out here. By the way, there is a nice handle right here for carrying this thing around. So, and it is very light. This is a very light board. Let me go ahead, get out here, put my ankle strap on here, just like this. Now this goes just in case I fall off the board. It doesn't go flying. I like to get going on my knees like this. And then once I kind of get where I want to be, I'll stand up. Now at any time, if you feel like you're going to fall on one of these boards, you can just get down on your knees really quick. You guys see this? Oh yeah. This thing feels great, everybody. And it tracks well with those fins on there. So it being kind of a narrow board, it's gonna be a little bit faster, but then check out how you can use it just like this. Looks like we got a little bit of rain coming in. But everybody, I think this is a great board for what it is. I think it's a great option for anyone that just needs a good board for pretty much doing any type of kind of slow moving rivers or on a lake or something like that. I think it's a great option for that. We'll paddle around some. I haven't been on a board in a while. I'm out of board shape. This paddle seems to be pretty decent. It seems to be a decent paddle for what it is. You've got some bungee right here if you want to stick your paddle and just kind of like chill out. And they also make a seat for this thing and a sail for this thing. And it's kind of short, so it's pretty maneuverable. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the SUDOO, you know, inflatable paddleboard. See y'all in the next video.